Okay, sales and networking 2021, right? Networking doesn't stop, by the way, guys. It doesn't ever stop. So these are some of the things. So I'm talking about very focused stuff, right? It is about trust, it's about sales, and it's about relationship. Okay, and it doesn't just stop from the time they sell to you or you got the check or whatever. It's also about the post sale, right? Are you taking feedback from them? Are you making yourself available to them after the sale so that in case they have some challenges, you are there for them? And let us be very clear: if they don't trust you, if they don't like you, they will not do business with you. They will not look at you. They will not want to keep talking to you. They don't want to spend time with you because they also feel our time is precious. Okay, so understand the problem, understand the right way to connect with the lead. Is it, do they prefer email, do they prefer LinkedIn? Don't call them during, say, lunch hour, don't call them early morning. No, I mean, people are different. Maybe they have certain Mondays, Tuesdays, they're focused. So you got to get all this information. When is the right time to talk to them? How do we talk to them? Okay, and don't only send standardized pitches to each guys. Please understand that only, first of all, only start pitching once they have that trust factor established. You have showed them some value. Okay, and then make it as personal as possible. The research that you do is about relationship building. Okay, and if you show them love on LinkedIn, supposing for example you see that they've done some beautiful articles, they published a blog, you go there, you like it, you put a nice comment on it, you reshare it, that's it. They will really appreciate you for it. Of course, you got to have a great product. Of course, you got to have fantastic after sales service. Your price has to be perfect. Same time, these are some of the things where you're not really selling, but you're building a relationship, you're building warmth. And please understand this, that by doing all that, it's not guaranteed that you'll get the sale, because they also understand these techniques, because they also go through all these presentations and training workshops and coaching from people. But at least you show that you care. Okay. So what are the ways to get in front of your clients and prospects? Okay, so you got to go back. You got to, as I said, they maybe have published something, they've got some blogs. Connect with them, engage with the content. I want to emphasize on this again and again. Today, it's all about, as Jagat is talking about, remote HQ, virtual office, video mails, video CRMs, right? This is the way to do it. And when you have platforms like Bitphone, take advantage of this. Please understand their social media presence, do your research work, figure out how that works. Be careful not to be too aggressive. Okay, remember, you're going to come in as a partner, and a partner is very respectful, very trustworthy, and understands just your pain points, etc. Okay, and also I want to emphasize on this, that selling is not about manipulating people. It's instead finding out what they want and really appealing to them, solve that pain point. Okay, the heart of selling. This is what it's all about. Yes, there are too many people say that sell ice to the Eskimos, sell sand in the desert, whatever. Please don't go there, because that is only going to lead to such mistrust. And if you're going to have a long career in sales, business development, you're going to be a co-founder, you're going to build your own startup, you mess up with people and you have a bad reputation, you will not grow too far in your career.